Ade na maye sem between sem ye teacher ni ana. Ade na maye me born ne say. Sister Friday na monthly me receive me salary. Say be ya me to me dey try me bills. It say because school me to me chira dey because accommodate me. Me say dey chira dey o abeda accommodate me.
They see my concrete Ghana and the American women quadi and Kayan Tom. Yen Tom, and Lubia and Chelsea can go Bobra. Baby, I say I can't do where money do nothing they move. PPI Ejibu. I was here and a newly posted teachers Eco PM our Ghana Education Service, Omasway, Ewa Cry. Our question United say, Oh my year, for 10 good months. Yen Tio Muka, a daddy Omaba, ever swung Gomosem penny for any being found. Omukoya busia Ghana Police Service. Akotwa shewo so. So sad. In fact, so sad. In this video, very home come. I Penyah block media. Let's watch any day. Over like if video, no that my was. Over like if video, no that my was subscribe button. Somebody will cover notification on the latest updates. Now better watch when their mama. I will comment section as over so. No she video more for so any be ashe. A general and a 2022 batch of trained teachers. As your omu areas that trade in 2022 almost service 2023 into after service 2024 you ever call about to somewhere August September ana ekufora ban abanado twem efa omadwuma as trained teachers let's say we have call about to from August September they post to omo yadwuma September October November December 4 months for 2024 omo anya aketua and it's a trouble by some government abanada abanfo ebai it abanfo so ebai Oma Yaduma for 6 good months in this 2025. Oma Yaduma from January to June. Oma Yaduma 6 good months. Eboka previous years no one. I pay 10 months. I say in this year, Oma Yaduma 6 good months. Eboka previous year no one. 10 good months. Omo aketua MI. It end run so no there be. One can say 3-1. Yeah, you were in Bane. And enya fe because teacher for at least you did that bia MI home you better part. Ebusia kura ni say that so. Ebusia no say ya post here etia de bia eno befra de kwansi bi mesi entia meka ene ne no ombo amu ano eko Ghana Education Office Omasoye ewo Accra SNA omo ekosu egu aban cause edidi jade eni muna ne na ye nyina ne ya aban adwuma ministers for omaketu eba ye for omadwuma from day one dey be omadwuma ketu all MPs omaketu eba obi aketu aba ade na ye nkwan ye de yaketu eye say yaketu akura nduru 3000 papa. Alright, yaketu enuru 3000 papa enzo abana embesu betu nje no muko GS office aso ese omuko so agu abans aye honorable Haruna Idris our education minister omuko so agu no so any the government omuko ya busia Ghana Police Service abeto ahye wo so edo police for edo be clash na eye so sad
ya bre nyesa ya bre mpo ya bre 10 good months adentin na me ye be post yen medical akwaja obi 2 weeks nipa na ba edru say staff for the man dey abaja me ama na jilisika me staff for the man even kwa me call before ansa na ye bi school mpo bone be na ya baby a edru ji say ye frey ma me mo ye nua mo ansa na ye didi ntia ye bone say ye call school ana bone mo so ra mo si ye nko school ya ko school no so na ye adwuma dia o say mo de maye na ye so ye ho toye no mo fa maye ntia ye bone abusuya mi bisa mo ma mo ofie bone say ye nko school omo hwe ya de ye sra mo nyina ne say 10 months menya sure so mo ti office wo obi anya 10 months aye ntua ne odo omo fa omo na me hye ye shoes mo na omo hwe heat ewo mo nti ye sra mo dia o so omo ye maye ye ho beto ye no na ye sra omo nya maye oh
enya se bia o eye agro bi ne yedi o twese me nam kwaso ba ne ya sene me say they are reminding me on my water bill me dwane water bill ma afede de sene me SMS e dia na maye sem between sem ye teacher ni ana e dia na maye me bone ne say sister Friday na monthly me receive me salary say be ya me to me dey try me bills e say because me to me chira dey because accommodate me message dey chira dey o abeda accommodate me one point me dey bufo kwa akobo obi ban po e dey e pra no onya akobo obi so agi yes so no wa amane disi ayenya dey e say ye bone ne say you choose ye be teacher say na say dey ade to omo dey omo kan chira ye say omo pese adwuma na ye be bi omo do mo kan kire ye na ye nkofie because the omo ya ne dey anu ode set time at post obi man so obi kuro mo wonu obi a ho ja ma me no papa wo na waboti obi ma so na ekwom ojew ekwom
adentia se committee be pay committee na father you do yes na was abasa you man have support on was support on mo we ura what me say support on ma dai kakra na ekumi na say ma dey na say I got two good man I got two good man now 1 year and a half na say was me see that how am I going to pay I don't have even pin on me me what I need this one that I be
This is how we want it to go. Risking our life, cannot stand by the other.
That's what we go with.
And muhu ya wa na nya bibia na momu no yere aho ye ni so abre na ye de ba eni ntina ye mu bebre na ye hye kokko ni tuntum no eni braba ni na ye teacher fo a aban we fa ye 2024 ye print your appointment letters 5th July 2024 and na appointment letter ni state say your appointment letters will be active or will take effect from the day no 1st of August 2024. Fast forward 1st August aba the assumption of duty day this start year juma na nkasa no Saturday September 10th 2024 ye start year juma no omuka say clearance e fa ye juma mu no ese say ye boa no obia akoda government payroll so controller ansana oma ye den December 31st 2024 den edu nyankopon boa ye nuanum bi e fa dodo na ye over 12,000 na ban dada na den e fa ye juma with the clearance no aban foforo e ba ye no na ye nuanum na last year nyame bo omo no na more than 70% of ye nuanum no omo sack omo staff IDs no mo eden omo salaries ntino na aka ye nipa kakra bi a little over 25% of yen na ye wo ye backlog na clearance ni wu ye omo ntimi generate staff IDs na ye be share director general na wo kire mu kire en say wo be ma wo be di anim no apɛ ne ye clearance no omo ma ye extension na omo the new extension na dey abrain normal resolve ye issue no director general FOME committee odi ye nuanum bia omo so mo challenge dey etna so no kwasem ni ye nuanum ye bi so omo say dey na ekoso committee na omo ni ye ko
ba DS ase no e da asem no ka kire
oh ye ba ha de etititia asem omo ka kire etitia omo fa ye de conference room tena condition so omo be ka asem atwe etwe no omo the heavy police presence security presence ba omo be ka kire e ho ye choked it's omo de ye ba e 4 courts of Ghana Education Service am say Ghana Education Service na nimu maame no ba no wan introduce no mpo ankyerɛn o se o ye directors ni bi wan introduce no na mom no nyo kan ye ya ene se ye no na ye gina na oni ye kasa nkra no onim nkrofo ko a ono ma eden ehia no o kan sa nwie no arehosem ni se o dane no ho asem o kan se ogina wiem ewi ehia eno anso oni ni mpinifo e fa asoro na eden de ko ye ntisi ame no kasa die eno ane asem mo ka kyerɛn that's
not all of you can be here, so leave the premises. We are giving you only 3 minutes to leave this premises.
Are you watching? Hello? Are you watching?
We are going to give you an instruction to move the premises. We gave you respect. You didn't order the respect. So move. Leader, all of you are telling you are leaders. What the hell do you mean? Else you visit us.
Is it because you're holding on? We are only asking for what is due.
When I'm better than your uncle. 10 months. Was it free for our bad? Ah, boss, Northern region, no. And I'm about Northern region. And I'm about do I say. And it's ain't Naka Musana and do I say, na, or be Makacha or Babuyan because of so police near and I say, Dabby. I don't be uncomfortable. Police inspecting and so CMP, if you have a say. I want now, but you know, we are Bema, Fancy, Yabu. Ah, check. But point investigate from a Jumana, Mama Jumana, yeah. Better 10 months, no time I come about, so we're booming. So we're booming. Like one can say you, Nimyan Sakra. Charlie, upon uniform to baby, no, Charlie, we are not supposed to uniform, no. It's no uniform in time in Finland, but or you to be a trouble. When you cut us 7 o'clock, you charent, you had the car, more preference in Jacka. Near Bunny Ball Fire was sent patrol, Unjaka, or say, the corporate police were or by 13. Sure, Obi exercise I have for Juma. My course school university, you enjoy 10 months. Now, open and joke 2 months, Obekasa. Who police and say, joke 2 months. My family association, Yaba was a if we man and castle babuyan. Our police, you know, and a man in castle babuyan.
We are giving you only 3 minutes. Now you are the leader. Stand here, the rest. I'm sorry. I said leaders should stand here. Tell them to move so that we communicate with you. I said I want to meet you, the leader. I said, brother. So when it's here, move. Mando, move everybody. Out. Out. Come on, out. Go. 1, 4, 2, 4,
For 10 months, we don't start
Is it because you're holding on?
The police have their IDs. The police have their IDs, right? And that's why you see they respect to the This is like I'm watching on the whole Ghana is watching. And the whole Ghana is watching. That's people who have come to demand for their staff IDs. What price family chairs? It has gotten to a state where we have to use police who intimidate us. Go. Right? Go. And the whole Ghana, the whole nation, Africa and the world is watching Ghana. What is happening? The education service, if this is what they want, we have to look for the the same. Minority leader, African-Americans, then we'll draw their attention. Say, this is what the nation is taking us through. Say, legally, Juma for 10 months. Now, almost start by MIA. If you almost start by, you don't say, they are not paying. They should give us reasons, and with immediate effect, we want our staff items, or else Friday term and the last time you move to the local school until we get our staff IDs and then our money, we are not going to school. And the ideal decision we want to take, or we are taking is that they are free if we are going to east, the power is free back, we'll be free north, we'll be free here. We are staying, yes, we are staying. We are staying, please, we are staying. If it's me, for finance ministry, for presenting petition, then fast forward, we proceed to parliament. So this is the decision now.
The Edikano, and yes, sir, we have skipped all the channel of communication. And the Ababedru say. It started last year. We are in the 10th month now. And I ensanka ye IDs. And ye ensanka ye salaries. But the yeme yeti to say, yen as a chair phone, our rights as workers have been violated. But ye ni kama phobia inti na Babedru say. And I who say the air question is a deliberate attempt to deny us of our salaries. If we say, and I'm say almost say ye beba habia, almost on my pow abedjaku. Say Yemrani and Montana how best the IDs will be released. We have done all these things, but to no avail. It's not yielding any results for us. Into the air can say Omanpanyi Mahama Etienka GES Director General and the Ministry of Education, they are sabotaging his government and making his government unpopular because we have been at post for 10 good months. And even IDs that are identified as workers of Ghana Education Service have not been released to us. This is not fair. This is not fair. And we do say that a hungry man is an angry man. And when the power of the powerless evolved, those in authority shall shake and fumble with its repercussion. And now no pay, yanu muni ne toto, yanu muni ne noa. Yaba hapeni biya mekasa. Does it mean say the leadership are not there? They have seen us, they have recognized our presence, but they are not here to address us because they know what they are doing is totally wrong.
It's so sad. Looking at how they were talking. And this is a Ghana we are building together. In fact, this is not a Ghana we want. There must be changes. This is not the Ghana we want. Because how the cost of living on the street is. Every day, there's one manager. Because who go to Ufo, you trade free 10 cities, and now you free 10 cities. Ain't it? Elmo crowd the bobo, Elmo the bobo. It every day, Biano. And as workers of Ben, we are crowd they are condemned by either Baco Pesi, Baco pay 50 cities. Send our koto. As I say, so workers of Ben will be an crowd there, and it comes with a great cost. A bulk across over Tramontinedi. It did be an answer, workers of managing crowd a day, almost 40 cities to 60 cities a day. I look at one manager 40 cities. It's workers will be 40 quite a month. And you are not quite 1,200. What I say? 1,200. Now, catch I say. So, or just 3,000 krona, 1,023 more, Abeka 1,008. Other expenses, as we Maya, ain't no BGB, send no go save, more bread. About 18 for no baby now. It's so pathetic. What I say, it's so pathetic. Try your mom ever comment section. I Penyah Media.